Youth Affairs and Sports YAS Minister Govindas Konthoujam has urged the region's youth to stay clear of substance abuse, noting that Manipur and Mizoram now listed on international drug transit lists. He was speaking at Gen Z Against Addiction, Nasha Mukt Yuva Pledge Drive held at the Standard College Auditorium located at Konthoujam, organized by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The event was launched virtually across all states by Prime Minister Narendra Modi under the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan and Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. Konthoujam MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan, Imphal East District Youth Officer Princey Gupta, MY Bharat State Director W. Paulina Monsang, Standard College Principal Professor M. Suresh, faculty members and students attended the event. Addressing the gathering, Minister Govindas highlighted that 65% of India's population is under 35 years of age. He stressed the need to guide young people towards positive paths and build a strong nation free from drug addiction and called for collective community efforts to achieve a drug-free society. The minister added that neighboring Myanmar is heavily impacted by the drug trade, which directly affects Manipur due to its shared border. He urged the youth to act responsibly and reject drug abuse.
You can do everything. When you determine, you can do everything. Loina to bungam ngariya. Anai na hygienic isi da koi Manipur sidang asisi Guru Dakshina ki program mai koi yaujai. Yaw matam da yamna big country ama Rwanda. Haiba country sida Hutu haiba ka Titsu haiba community anisi makoisi hanaba yam hanara batung sida makoisi hujik one of the progressive country moire African country ne akoi sigi madum da ko hujik lai ba koi tarmoi loiba akoi state sida aduna akoi na karigumba akoi Manipuri ni hay thoba akoi Manipuri ni hay na thoba thokan matam du khakta da akoi irang si soina loisin bane ba akoi thamoi da lai gane ba akoi Manipuri ni Manipuri kandaba yate